I think he's the grandson of the famous Bosco Low. A lot of people know who that is.
See, you teach me something every week. You can't hang it up. Nobody here would have told me that. Nobody. Good start. Thomas uses that high side. Pick a lane, killer. Good racing. Here comes Johnny G. They're 3 wide. We're coming off of turn 4. Johnny Galaja makes a power move into the second spot. Now Howard to the inside of Lowe. Here comes Randy Dillard. Well, there's a gaggle of cars mid-pack. Cagle trying to find his way.
Galaja showing some strength early in the season there in that 42. He's driven everything but a Super Late model here, and now he's battling for the lead of this heat.
He got a street stock win last year.
One of the most improved drivers here.
Always fun to watch, keeps his nose clean. He's catching Paris. Does he have enough time? Meanwhile, back in the pack, Cagle trying to work to the inside of Dillard. Dillard uses the high side momentum. There's 1 lap to go. Jacob Paris trying to hold off for that heat race win. And through turns 3 and 4, he'll bring the number 4 checker flag. Jacob Paris your winner. Johnny Galaja second. Bailey Lowe third. John Howard fourth. Randy Dillard holds on for a top 5 finish. Pretty good 6 laps of racing there, killer.
All right, green rag's fixing to fly soon.
Go,
Waylon, go.
Super Flagman Waylon turns him loose. Jacob Hamby, see if he can use that high side. 25, Bobby Joyce, maybe a little contact. Nothing to write home about. There's Dylan Daves up to 3rd. As Michael Barnett battles to the inside. Oh, they squeezed. Somehow he stayed off of him, killer. 3 cars back.
Interstate Welding's going to love them.
Look at Wimpy. I think Wimpy's got a faster car. He just can't find the hole to go in. He may have it here. He'll drop to the inside of Dave's. They touch a little. Into turn number 1, the crowd goes. Meanwhile, up front, Jacob Hamby's got some company as the 44, Bobby Elkins, is reeling him in. Elkins right in his tire track. May have overdriven it a little that time. Dylan Daves, more bad luck. He hits the infield. Out of turn number 4, Jacob Hamby's going to lead another lap. Elkins drove it hard in that last lap, and it cost him. He lost a lot of ground.
Like that Dante Curtis's debut in the... No. I thought he was moving up, but he didn't.
He moved up to this one at the end of last season, but out of turn number 4, heat race number 2 for the Interstate Welding Modified Hobbies. Jacob Hamby your winner, Bobby Elkins second, Michael Barnett third, Seth Wimpy fourth, Brandon Elliott holds on for the 5th.
At Interstate Welding and Steel Supply, we strive for excellence in all of our products and services. From medical, food, and industrial gases to steel, aluminum, and other metal materials, we have everything you need for your business or personal needs. Come visit our comprehensive showroom for welding equipment, truck and trailer supplies, power tools, and so much more. Our professional sales team will help you find exactly what you need. Call us today at 888-613-8284 or visit us online at www.interstateweld.com. Interstate Welding, proud sponsor of Tri-County Racetrack and the Modified Hobby Division.
This could very well be the feature main event of the night.
John Howard in the 81, Dante Curtis in the 03, Randy Dillard in the 51.
Keep it coming.
I can't see what that number is on that one.
Ricky Smith, He's in the back. That's unusual. Did he not make weight?
Cade Cagle in the C5. Matt Sandifer in the 22. I don't see Seth Wimpy out there.
He failed post-race inspection.
In the heat race?
Yeah.
And Brandon Elliott didn't make the call. Jacob Hamby to the outside. See what he can do with it. Look at Paris. Look at Michael Barnett. Really? He caught another gear. And in one lap, he's up to second. You think he's got something to prove? Here comes Bobby Elkins. He's on the back door of Johnny G. Now he'll slide up. And Lowell working on the 44 car. Dante Curtis just up high coming out of turn number 2. We'll give up spot to Randy Dillard in the 51.
That veteran Randy Dillard just snuck on by.
He knew what was going to happen.
The corner. Oh no! Jacob Perry. He gathers out of position.
Gathers it back up. Now he's under attack from Bobby Elkins at 44, working the low line. Action all over the track.
They making that inside groove work right now. They're just setting up for a real battle coming up in a bit.
Colton Brown going to hit the infield. His knot's over in the 56 car. Starting to get just a little space between some of these guys. Not much.
Hey, that 25 car, he packed his lunch and went to town.
Jacob Hamby.
Up! The wall got in the way.
Who was that? Is that Cade
Cagle in the 5 car. The cushions has pushed another one.
Uh-oh, Russia accordion. They got it
Very
slowed down.
competitive race tonight. Very competitive.
Hey, this is a stout field right here. Look at Barnett. He had a strong initial start. Not as good on the restart. Here comes Bobby Elkins. He's going to try to make a move on Paris there. How about Johnny G in the 3rd spot looking strong? Here comes Johnny G closing in on 2nd place.
Johnny G very well could have one of the best handling cars out there. Making that inside groove work really good for him. Excitement went away for the moment.
2 laps to go. Popsicle sticks in the air from Super Flagman Whaler. John Howard trying to do something on Bailey Lowe. He looks to the inside coming out of turn number 2. White flag in the air one more time around for Jacob Hamby. That may be his good luck charm. I put a camera on him in practice. And now here he comes out of turn 4. Your winner, Jacob Hamby. Michael Barnett 2nd. Johnny Galaja 3rd. Jacob Harris 4th. And Bobby Elkins rounds out your top 5.
Not too bad. Opening night 2021 Interstate Welding shines as usual.